Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle, not in today's newspaper, of Thursday, May the 12th, 2022. Look, this the newspaper of today, Ajax, champion of the Netherlands, 2021-2022. No, it's the additional of yesterday, Wednesday, May the 11th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku, and now it's time for the Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number 4544. 4544. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits. 20 should be an easy one. And for 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box. It's always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? Yes, here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 2 goes there. More dual boxes. No dual boxes. Triple boxes then. Here we have a triple box. The 2 and the 3 are already filled in, so 1 box left for the 1. Yes. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box in an L shape. Well, this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Only 1 quadra box. Then. The following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, we have only 1 T shape in this puzzle. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. So this box has the same name as that box. And that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Alright, T shape. Then the following shape, how about this figure? The S or T shape. Oh, sorry, the S or Z construction. Let me draw this here. When you see this Z or S construction or shape, figure, if you flip this, then you get a Z. This is S. When you see the S shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Almost draw this wrong. Okay. All right. And that box has the same name as this box. That box has the same name as this box. Okay. Here another 1. This box has the same name as that box. And that box has the same name as this box. So in this case, it's a 5. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. More of this kind of shape here, rotated. This box has the same name as that box, so in this case it's a 5. And we have one shape left. How about this? Well, this shape, one shape, yeah, one shape left. Let me draw this here. We see this kind of shape. Remember that this box has the same name as that box, so in this case it's a 5. Alright, 5. So this box has the same name as that box. We have another one here, rotated. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 4 of them. There are more. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have 4 figures or shapes, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 1 here. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box. We also 1. But we already have a 1 here. So the 1 is it's not the solution, place the 1 there. So the 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction for the numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 4. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box in an L shape for the numbers 4 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Oh, wait. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 here. We have a double 4 there. If I place the 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape area, yes. For the numbers 1 and 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this T-shape area for numbers 4 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 4 there. If I place the 4 there, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. But we already have a 4 in this area. So it's not a solution, place the 4 there. The 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Then this box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 it goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 it goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes. Told you, for a 1-star Tectonic. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonics. Playlists for the binaries. Playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the samurai Sudokus, a.k.a. quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Friday, last day of the week, almost weekend. So until then, bye bye for now.